All right, YouTube, welcome back to Philly D's Garage. So today we got the Lexus LS 400 in the building. So I'm having a battery issue. I think it finally took its last start. Now this battery is 5 years old, so I'm to the point where I'm like, I might as well just change it. I repaired this battery before, and I also changed the terminals a while back. So it's crazy because initially when I went to start it, I thought it was the starter because all you heard was clicking, and you know, on these cars the starter is literally under the manifold, the intake manifold. So I was kind of, I almost bought a starter because I was going to change the starter, but I'm like, wait, let me check the battery again. So I checked the battery was totally dead. So I got it to start and I pulled it in. So let me just show y'all that this battery is bad. I've already tested it. So this battery is rated for 600 cold cranking amps. As y'all can see, it's sitting at 8.93 volts. So there's really no need to keep going, but I'm gonna show y'all anyway. So it's rated for 600. It's tested 30 cranking amps, cold cranking amps out of 600. Y'all can see right here, say 600. And the state of charge is 0%, and state of health is 5%. So I had already tried to repair this battery again since I pulled the car in, just to see what would happen, and this battery is totally shot. So I'm just gonna show you real quick how to change the battery on 98 Lexus. Let me show you what battery I'm going to use. So I got a die-hard battery. This battery is much better than that one. It's rated for 750 cold cranking amps. And it's from, I think I got this from AutoZone. So, you know, you got that warranty on it. So we'll see how that goes. So let me show y'all how to take this battery out real quick. All right, y'all. So on this car, all you gotta do is move this trim piece out. It just sits in here. Just slide that off. And you got 10 mil on here, 10 mil on here. Loosen those up, and then you got a bolt here. Get that off. All you gotta do is loosen those up. And then these terminals should just slide right off. Try not to touch nothing. Just push it out the way somewhere. Then you want to get this bracket off. Now it's crazy because, like I said, this battery is about 10 years, not 10 years, 5 years old. So I was always waiting for this to go bad. So loosen that up, and then we get this side here. Screw that out. Don't drop your bolt. Pull this off. I'm gonna set them down here somewhere. All right, so now this battery literally will come up just like that. So let me grab that out real quick. All right, y'all, so I slid the new one in there. Now I wanted to show y'all how this terminal has all these little green crusties, the corrosion in here. So I'm gonna clean that out with something real quick. And it's also obviously all over this terminal just like this. Now last time I did clean these terminals and I replaced the terminal, so that's telling me that basically the battery was undercharging because you had corrosion on your negative side. So if you see corrosion on your negative side, that means your battery is undercharging. You see corrosion on your positive side, that means your system is overcharging. So if you see that, you might want to address that situation. So I'm gonna clean this up real quick and get everything tightened back up real quick. All right, y'all, so I cleaned the terminals up real quick. Actually used just a regular little wire brush. Watch yourself, because these things will poke you. So yeah, everything is tightened down. Don't forget your bracket terminals, tighten them up, make sure they're nice and snug. I use some battery cleaner, not battery cleaner, battery protector. So this should help with some of the corrosion or whatever, or getting rusty. But like I said, if your battery is overcharging or undercharging, you're gonna have corrosion regardless. So just keep an eye on that. Battery maintenance is very important. So last thing you want to do is come out the crib on your way to work and your car don't start, because that's what happened to me. Or you leaving work and your car won't start. So go get check your battery. AutoZone, most parts stores will check your battery for free. Even Philly D will check your battery for free. So just get it checked, and make sure you got a good charging system. So that's how you change the battery on a Lexus LS 400. If you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll check you on the next one.